So you may notice things are a little different behind me, and that is because I am in our new apartment. So we just signed the lease today. We are moving in all of our stuff, so that's why it's super echoey in here. But I'm really excited to show you all around. So I guess I'll start at the front door, and I'm like so excited for this because it's so bright in here and amazing. So this is the front door, and when you first walk in, this is what you'll see. So I'll start in the kitchen. This is our kitchen. We have an electric stove right here, a nice microwave, and our refrigerator right here. It is super big. We can fit so much more stuff in here compared to our old place. The refrigerator was so tiny in the old place, but I think this is gonna work out perfectly fine. The only thing different between this one and the kitchen is the pantry space. So this has a built-in pantry that looks like it's your like cabinets, but it's so deep. You can fit a lot of stuff in here, which is really cool. And it looks like that. We have some good storage space on top of here. And like this is what the cabinets look like. So you can put the plates and stuff right here. It looks a little smaller, but it should be fine. And we have some space right here too, and space in here. And I love the countertops. They're nice and white, so you can definitely see all of the dirt, and it'll be better to clean. Dishwasher. This is our sink. Nothing really to see here. And then we move over, and it's just so like bright and white. It doesn't look that bright and white on camera right now, but it is. It's like so bright and white in here, and the ceilings are super high, and the floors are like a lighter gray. We don't have carpet in the living room, which I actually really love, but I do want to get a rug in here just to warm up the space. But the living room is so much bigger. If you guys remember our old apartment, the living room is a lot smaller. It probably stops to like right here. And so we have all this like extra space right here, and nice big windows full of light. And the windows are, the walls are white, so that way it's not like that dark gray color. I hated that. This is probably where we're gonna put our TV right here, and our couch, and we're gonna have so much more space. So I'll probably need to get like another seating area right here, and our dining table will go right here. And then so this is the view from the kitchen on the other side, and then this is like the best part ever. So in our current apartment, we have an area, we don't have an area for a computer. We normally just sit that on our dining table, but this has like a built-in desk. It's super nice. We can put a chair right here, and then this is like a bookshelf, so we can put all of our stuff right here, and it's nice and sturdy and perfect, and I am so excited. So now we can move on to the bedroom. This is the bedroom. It's carpeted, and this is the only carpeted area in the apartment. I love that ceiling fan. I saw it at like Home Depot. It's so nice. But yeah, so this is it. I love the floor to ceiling windows, and it has a Juliet balcony. So if we wanted to, we could like open this and see out. I won't show you like outside of the windows because there's like two landmarks that everyone will know if you've lived or been in Atlanta. So I don't want people to like be creepy. But the best thing about this apartment, it has like two closets. I'm like running out of, I can't even remember. So it has two closets. This is one, it's like the smaller one, but this is literally bigger than the apartment that we have now, so it's perfect. And I think that Quentin will take this one only because it's smaller, and he doesn't have that much clothes compared to I. So then you walk in here and look at the gorgeous floors. This is like marble. Let me turn the lights on. And this is the bathroom, and so it is like really nice marble on the floor. And then on this side we have the other closet, and this one's definitely a lot bigger, so I'll probably put my stuff in here and like some of my like craft supplies and stuff in here, honestly. But it's so big, like the biggest closet I've ever had in my entire life. It's so nice, such a good size, and I love all of this storage right here so I can like neatly organize my clothes. And then right here we'll probably put like towels and stuff like that too. And then this is our laundry room. We have a full laundry room, which is great. So we can put our laundry detergent here, and they have side by side like nice Whirlpool washing machine and dryer, like the front loading ones. Moving on to the bathroom. Hey, we have 2 sinks. This is like major key in a relationship. Most likely I'll take this side for my makeups and stuff like that. But yeah, 2 sinks is a major key in a relationship. And we have like 2 our own separate sections for our stuff, which is perfect. And we also have above the toilet storage. And the sink, I mean the toilet looks pretty tiny, but yeah, here it is. And this is our tub. Look how wide the tub is. This is like perfect. It has like a little place for you to sit. And I love this marble right here. And then you walk out and you are back into the kitchen. Okay, so the first order of business, oh my God, you're so zoomed in. There we go. The first order of business is to clean the apartment now and go. So we take this and spray it around. And this is the citron scent, so it's very lemony. Hey guys, so I realized that I totally forgot to vlog us getting the stuff. Ooh, that's really bright. Okay, there we go. No. Here, maybe right here. Perfect. Okay. So, hey guys, so I totally forgot that I was vlogging, and I totally forgot to film us getting the things into the apartment, but we have everything in the apartment other than what's left in my car and I think Quentin's car. And the apartment is pretty much good to go. We just gotta unpack like everything and set everything back up. So let me show you the progress. So we have our couch, and now that we have like so much space, we definitely need like a chair or something in here. But the TV will go here, pretty much keeping the same setup as we had before. We're putting the stuff on our desk, and then we have our table. I'm like setting this up right now, and the bookshelf we put over here instead of right here, just to give us some more room when we walk in. So this is cool because we have like so much more space. I've been setting everything up. The format's kind of similar, but the cabinets are a little different. And so this is our pantry now. So my DIY like storage hacks. I'm trying to use the same thing, but I realize I'll probably need some more like organizational stuff, like especially the things for the cans, because I'm gonna put the cans up there, all the way up there, so I'll need like a can organizer just to keep everything like nice and neat, and also a step ladder because I can't reach up there. And I need to do the bathroom as well. We're setting up the bed right now because he wants to take a nap, which is the reason why he set up the bed. Calm bed. So I'll probably just put you guys down so you can watch me unpack. I'll probably be setting up the bookshelf and just finish that up. I've already cleaned it up a little bit. And yeah, so I'll set you down so you can watch me.
The city is covered in snow tonight. Where did my love go? Santa, I'm waiting for him, but he's nowhere inside.